Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Oracle database for application development, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Oracle database for application development, ensure that you have the latest version of Oracle database installed on your machine. First, open the Oracle database installation directory. Navigate to the configuration utility. Double-click on the utility to launch it. You may be prompted to enter your administrator credentials. Enter the required credentials and authorize access. Once the utility is open, select the option for Database Configuration Assistant. Choose to create a new database. Follow the prompts to set up the database name, typically using a meaningful identifier. Specify the database location to ensure that all data files are stored correctly. Select the database characters set according to your application's requirements. Set the administrative password for the database to ensure security. Configure memory allocation settings for optimal performance. Adjust the number of processes and sessions according to expected workloads. Review the storage options to implement the right file structures. Choose whether to enable advanced features such as Oracle Data Guard or Oracle Multitenant. Review the summary of your configuration before proceeding. Click on the Finish button to initiate the creation of the database. Monitor the installation progress and ensure that there are no errors. Once the database is created, you will receive a completion message. Next, open the SQL Developer application to interact with your new database. Connect to the newly created database using the credentials you specified. Verify that the connection is successful. Create necessary schemas required for your application. Define user roles and privileges to control access to the database. Import any existing data if necessary. Structure your tables according to the requirements of your application. Consider implementing indexing strategies to enhance query performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.